Welcome back to Good Morning Colorado, and just love this shot here. This is Denver Civic Center Park on our VR Wireless Weather Network camera. A beautiful summer morning, although a little cold, as Marty was saying. Your time right now is 6:40. And summer is about to arrive. Today is the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere, the longest day of the year. It's set to happen at exactly 3:43 this afternoon in our time zone, when one of the Earth's poles has its maximum tilt towards the sun. Fun fact, for those living in the southern hemisphere, Saturday is the shortest day of the year and marks the arrival of winter. And here to tell us all about those weather latest and headlines in our first day of summer weather forecast, here's Storm Tracker 13's Marty B.
And good morning. Of course, first day of summer makes sense that we have some temperatures near freezing over the mountains and mountain valleys. We're in the low to mid 40s. In some cases on the Palmer Divide. A little bit of a breeze out there now, Community Banks of Colorado. It's a crisp morning, but a beautiful morning. As you can see, there's hardly a cloud in the sky out there anywhere right now. And I think that that'll be true for a good chunk of the day for most people. Temperatures right now, even over the plains of eastern Colorado, are only in the lower to middle 50s. So this is great sleeping weather considering it's the first day of summer. But how about Leadville at 28, Alamosa at 32, Gunnison's at 33. So yeah, the big story this morning has to be the temperatures. It's just not usually this chilly this time of year. Futurecast shows beautiful sunny conditions through lunchtime. Probably a few clouds developing here later on this afternoon. There might even be a quick shower, or at least some sprinkles over Baca County today, but that's probably about the only place where that might happen. Another piece of good news to pass along is while it might be a little breezy at times this afternoon, you can see Futurecast showing wind speeds of maybe between about 15 to as much as 20 miles an hour over the mountains. For the majority of the area, the wind's not going to be a huge factor today either, so we don't have to have any discussions about fire weather today. You can just enjoy some sunshine and warm but not terribly hot temperatures today, with most of eastern Colorado in the 80s. We'll look for 60s and 70s over the mountains and high mountain valleys. Southern valleys should hit the lower 80s, regardless of the fact that it's 32 right now in Alamosa. I think you'll manage to reach the lower 80s today. Again, outside of a quick shower over the southeastern corner of the state, most other areas look pretty quiet with just a few clouds drifting through the atmosphere here through probably about 8 or 9 o'clock. Then we should have mostly clear conditions through about midnight. I think after midnight we'll probably see a few more clouds start to roll in from the west here, so it could be partly cloudy by tomorrow morning. Won't be as cold either, with temperatures generally in the 50s at lower elevations in eastern Colorado. We'll still have a mixture of 30s and 40s over the mountains and mountain valleys. I just don't think we'll be down quite as chilly as we have been across the area this morning. Again, nice light wind right now looking across the junipers as seen there from Highway 115 and Turkey Creek. It's beautifully sunny out right now. Just a little on the crisp side, so maybe a sweatshirt or a light coat this morning. Yeah, if you're tough, you don't need it, but you might feel a little bit cool. We're tracking our Father's Day weather, and we'll follow that up with an early week cold front that looks to bring us some better chances for some rain and maybe some thunderstorms, and we'll have more on that in our extended forecast coming up soon.
Yeah, it was a little chilly this morning.
Yeah, it was different. I was out late last night because I should have gone to bed, but I didn't, and then again this morning. In both cases, to see my breath both times.
Yeah.
It was interesting.
You're always staying up too late.
I know. It's a lot to do around the house.
Yeah, you are doing a lot of chores. No chores on Father's Day, though.
Unlikely.
TBD. Well, speaking of Father's Day, deals for